Life moves fast. The world is noisy. Everywhere you look, there is movement, sound, and activity. It's easy to get swept away in the current of doing, achieving, and consuming. We often find ourselves caught in a whirlwind of tasks and responsibilities. But beneath the surface of this busyness lies a deep well of stillness, peace, and joy. This well is always there, waiting for us to tap into it. This is your true nature, always present, waiting to be accessed. It is a part of you that remains untouched by the chaos of the external world. Spirituality is not about escaping life, but about experiencing it more fully, more presently. It's about being here, now, in this very moment. It's about recognizing the sacred in the ordinary, the extraordinary in the everyday. Every moment holds a potential for wonder and awe. It's about connecting to something larger than yourself, whether that's nature, a higher power, or the unified field of consciousness. This connection brings a sense of belonging and purpose. The first step to embracing spirituality is to create space for stillness. This space allows you to pause and reflect. Carve out a few minutes each day to simply be. Sit in silence. Observe your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your chest. Let thoughts come and go without judgment. Allow yourself to be a witness to your own mind. In this space of stillness, you connect with your true self, the part of you that is beyond the ego, beyond the noise of the mind. This connection is profound and transformative. This is the source of true peace, joy, and fulfillment. It is a wellspring of contentment that you can draw from at any time. The breath is a powerful tool for cultivating presence and mindfulness. It's always with you, a constant reminder of the present moment, anchoring you to the here and now. When you feel overwhelmed, anxious, or disconnected, bring your attention to your breath. It can be your refuge. Notice the rise and fall of your chest, the gentle rhythm that connects you to life. Feel the air entering and leaving your nostrils, the coolness as you inhale and the warmth as you exhale. Don't try to change your breath, simply observe it. Let it flow naturally. As you focus on your breath, you'll notice your thoughts slowing down, becoming less intrusive. The mind chatter begins to fade, leaving space for clarity and calm. This is the power of the present moment, a gift we often overlook. In this space of presence, there is no worry for the future, no regret for the past, just peace. There is only the peace of this moment, unfolding perfectly, just as it should. Make it a practice to bring your attention to your breath throughout the day, in every activity. While waiting in line, during your commute, or even while washing dishes, let your breath be your anchor. A few conscious breaths can be a mini meditation, grounding you in the present and restoring your inner peace no matter where you are. Spirituality isn't about grand gestures or elaborate rituals. It's about infusing your everyday activities with awareness and intention. When you approach your daily life with a sense of presence, even mundane tasks become opportunities for connection and growth. Pay attention to the sensations of washing the dishes, feeling the warmth of the water and the texture of the plates. As you walk, notice the feeling of your feet on the ground, connecting you to the earth. Listen to the sounds around you, the birds singing, the wind rustling through the trees. When you bring awareness to these simple acts, you transform them into mindful practices. You begin to see the interconnectedness of all things. You realize that even in the most ordinary moments, there is beauty, wonder, and grace. Gratitude is a powerful force for transformation. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you shift your energy from lack to abundance, from fear to love. Gratitude opens your heart to receive the blessings that are always flowing into your life. Start each day by acknowledging 3 things you're grateful for. It could be something as simple as a warm bed, a delicious cup of coffee, or the love of a pet. Throughout the day, look for opportunities to express gratitude. Thank the cashier at the grocery store, acknowledge a coworker for their help, or simply appreciate the beauty of a sunset. When you cultivate an attitude of gratitude, you begin to see the world through a lens of abundance. You attract more things to be grateful for, creating a positive feedback loop of joy and fulfillment. Nature's embrace, finding solace in the wild. Nature is a powerful source of healing and inspiration, offering a sanctuary from the chaos of daily life. Spending time in nature can help to calm your mind, soothe your soul, and connect you to something larger than yourself. It provides a space for reflection and rejuvenation. Whether it's a walk in the park, a hike in the mountains, or simply sitting under a tree, make time to immerse yourself in the natural world. These moments can bring clarity and peace. Feel the sun on your skin, the wind in your hair, the earth beneath your feet. Let these sensations ground you in the present moment. Listen to the sounds of the birds singing, the waves crashing on the shore, or the leaves rustling in the breeze. These natural melodies can be incredibly soothing. Notice the intricate details of a flower, the majesty of a mountain range, or the vastness of the ocean. Each element of nature has its own story to tell. In nature, you're reminded of the interconnectedness of all things. Every tree, every river, every mountain is part of a larger ecosystem. You realize that you are part of something much larger than yourself, a web of life that is both awe-inspiring and humbling. Embrace this connection and find solace in the wild. The power of affirmations, speaking life into being. Words have power. The words you speak to yourself, whether silently or aloud, have a profound impact on your thoughts, feelings, and actions. Affirmations are positive statements that can help you to challenge and overcome negative thoughts and beliefs. Choose affirmations that resonate with you and repeat them regularly, especially when you're feeling down or discouraged. As you repeat these affirmations, believe in their truth and allow yourself to feel the emotions associated with them. Some examples of affirmations include, I am open to receiving abundance. I am grateful for all the good in my life. I'm capable of achieving my dreams. I'm worthy of love and happiness. By consistently using affirmations, you can reprogram your subconscious mind and create a more positive and fulfilling reality. Remember that cultivating inner peace is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, challenges and triumphs. Be patient with yourself, and don't get discouraged if you have moments of doubt, fear, or negativity. These are all part of the human experience. The key is to approach your spiritual practice with a sense of curiosity and non-judgment. Observe your thoughts and feelings without attaching to them. When you notice yourself getting caught up in negativity, gently guide your attention back to the present moment. The more you practice, the easier it will become to access a state of inner peace, even in the midst of life's challenges. Your thoughts, feelings, and actions all emit a vibration that impacts the world around you. When you cultivate inner peace and positivity, you radiate that energy outward, creating a ripple effect that touches everyone and everything you encounter. Imagine a stone being dropped into a still pond. The ripples spread outward, affecting the entire pond. In the same way, your energy has a ripple effect on the world. When you choose love over fear, kindness over judgment, and peace over chaos, you contribute to a more harmonious and loving world. Embracing imperfection, you are enough. Remember that you are not perfect. You will make mistakes. You will have moments of weakness, doubt, and fear. This is all part of being human. The key is to embrace your imperfections with love and compassion. Don't judge yourself harshly for your mistakes. Instead, view them as opportunities for learning and growth. Remember that you are enough, just as you are. You are worthy of love, happiness, and fulfillment. Embracing spirituality in your daily life is a gift you give to yourself and the world. It's about slowing down, connecting with your true self, and appreciating the beauty and wonder that surrounds you. It's about living with intention, gratitude, and love. Your journey starts now. Take a deep breath, connect with the present moment, and embrace the beauty of a life infused with presence. The world is waiting for your light to shine.